Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn the alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for apple, a shiny, crunchy apple. B is for bicycle, ring ring. C is for cake, yum. D is for dog, woof woof. E is for elephant, stomp stomp. F is for fin, like a fish fin swimming in the water. G is for guitar, strum strum. H is for house, a cozy place to live. I is for iguana, look at that long tail. J is for jump, let's jump together. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, roar. M is for milk, delicious and healthy. N is for ninja, sneaky and quick. O is for octopus, 8 wiggly arms. P is for pumpkin, big and round. Q is for queen, royal and fancy. R is for rabbit, hop hop hop. S is for sun, bright and warm. T is for turtle, slow and steady. U is for umbrella, it keeps us dry in the rain. V is for vase, a vase holds pretty flowers. W is for watermelon, sweet and juicy. X is for X-ray, it helps us see our bones. Y is for yarn, soft and stringy. Z is for zebra, look at those stripes. Great job learning the alphabet today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye!